Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Warprasad. Today I am going to discuss about the RRB NTPC previous year question paper held in 2021 January 4th, second shift. Please do check out my YouTube channel. This is the 8th video of Max previous year question paper. Without wasting your time, let's solve the question paper. Question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 288. So I am taking the two numbers as A and B. So A plus B equal to 288. HCF is 16. How many pairs can be formed? So we have to check how many pairs can be formed. So the A, I'm taking this as HCF is 16. So I'm taking this number as 16A, comma 16B. So that means 16A plus 16B, that equal to 288. Since HCF is common, so HCF is the common factor. So 16 into A plus B equal to 288. So then A plus B equal to 16 ones are 16, 128, 18. So A plus B should be 18. A plus B should be 18. A plus B should be 18. And the HCF should be 16 only. So we know that a common factor is 16. So it should not be increased by 16. So that means only prime number should be used. What are the prime numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'm taking the prime numbers. So if A is 1, then B is 17. If A is 3, then B is 15. So 15 is not a prime number. So this is not counted. I'm taking 5. Then the remaining number is 13. So I'm taking 7. The remaining number is 11. So the next number is 11. 11, 7. So it repeats only. So only 3 numbers. Only 3 pairs. Only 3 pairs. Question number 2. Two cars start from Ahmedabad and run in opposite direction, with one car's speed being 200 km more than the other. If they are 4500 km apart after 9 hours, the sum of speeds of the both cars is. See, A, B. Both are traveling in opposite directions. So opposite direction, relative speed, we have to add. Same direction, we have to reduce. Speed equal to distance by time, that equal to, we know that they are 4500 kilometers apart after 9 hours. So that is 500. So the distance between them is 500 kilometer. So since they are traveling in opposite directions, we have to add. So the speed is 500 kilometer. So one car speed is 200 kilometer more than the other. So I am taking one car speed as x. Then the other car speed is 200 plus x. So 2x equal to 300. X equal to 150. So we know both the car speeds. 150, 350. Sum of speeds of both the cars. The answer is 500. So we have solved this as well. Question number 3. In an isosceles triangle ABC, so isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, that is 26 centimeter. BC is 20 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is. So the area of triangle ABC of isosceles triangle formula is B by 2 into A square minus B square divided by 4. The same side is A, base B. So we know the base as 20 by 2 into a square 26 square minus b square 20 square divided by 4, that equal to 20 divided by 2 10. This is 676 minus 400 divided by 4 100. So 10 into 676 minus 100 576, that equal to 10 into 24, that equal to 240 centimeter square. Question number 4. Square root of x equal to 8. X square plus y equal to 4112. We have to find y. So with the root x, we have to get the x square. Then we have to substitute in this equation. Then we will get y. After that, we have to find square root of y. So x equal to 8 into 8. X equal to 64. X square equal to 64 into 64, that equal to 4096. So 4096 plus y equal to 4112. Y equal to 16. So square root of y equal to square root of 16, which is nothing but 4. Question number 5. A rhombus has one of its diagonal 65% of the other. A square is drawn using the longer diagonal as side. What will be the ratio of the area of the rhombus to that of the square? So the rhombus diagonals. So I am taking rhombus one side as 100x. The rhombus has one of its diagonal 65% of the other. So 65% of the other is 65x. So one diagonal is 60. One diagonal is 100x. The other diagonal is 65x. So the triangle of rhombus equal to base into height. We can also find it using diagonals as well. That equal to 1 by 2 of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So they have asked ratio of area of rhombus to area of square. Area of rhombus formula half of d1 into d2. We know d1 equal to 100x, d2 equal to 65x. So we have to find the sides. A square is drawn using the longer diagonal as side. So longer diagonal is 100x. So it is the side. So 100x into 100x. A square formula for square. 100x 100x cancel. X cancel. That equal to 5 13s are 5 20s are 13 divided by 2 into 20. That equal to 13 divided by 40. The answer is 13 is to 40. Question number 6. Selling price of a car is 1,20,000. Profit 20%. So what is the selling price if we sell at 30% profit? So on cost price of 1 lakh, the 20% is 20,000. So if they have to get 30%, that will be 30,000. Question number 7. A number, I am taking a number as A. A number is first decreased by 20%. So if we decrease a number by 20%, it will be 80%. Then increase by 15%, it will be 115%. The number so obtained is 64 less than the original number. The original number is a less 64. So we have to find original number. 24s are 25s are 523s are 520s are 45s are. So a into 23 by 25, that equal to a minus 64. So 64 this side and this will come this side. So 64 equal to a into 1 minus 23 divided by 25. 64 equal to a into 2 by 25. 232s are. A equal to 32 into 25. So if we have to divide a number by 5, we will multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 2 by 2. So if you want to find 32 into 25, I am going to multiply and divided the same number by into 4 divided by 4, so that 25 into 4 is 100. It will be easy to calculate. 432s are 8. 8 into 100, 800. Answer is 8. Question number 8. 15 minus 6.3 divided by 7 plus 3 into 1.3 minus 2.9. 15 minus 0.9 plus 3.9 minus 2. So minus 0.9 plus 3.9 is plus 3 minus 2. So that equal to 18 minus 2. Answer is 16. Question number 9. Find the sum of numbers between 400 and 500 such that 8, 12, 16 divide them. So we have to find the numbers between 400 to 500 so that the three numbers should divide them. So the LCM is 2, 2 ones are 3. Into 2 into 3 into 2, that equal to 48. So 48 tens are 480. So the number is in between them only. Minus 48, 434. If we reduce this number by 48, it will be less than 400. If we add 480 plus 48, the number is higher than 500. So only these two numbers are counted. So the numbers are 434, 480. 48 into 10, 480. 480 is a number between 450. Reduce this same number, 432. If we reduce another 48, the number is less than 400. If we add 480, the number is greater than 500. We have to find only the numbers between 400 and 500 which can be divided by LCM 48. So the numbers are 432 and 480. So it leaves remainder 5, means the excess number should be added. So 437 plus 485. They want us to find this sum of these numbers. So the answer is 932. 922. Question number 10. 20 men and 15 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days. So this is total work. And 25 men and 10 boys can complete the same piece of work in 90 days. So the both are same. So multiply this number, 200 men plus 150 boys equal to 225 men plus 90 boys. So 25 men equal to 60 boys. By b equal to 5 5s are 5 12s are. So that is 12 by 5. So men is to boys is 12 is to 5. Find the ratio of the daily work done by a man to that of the boy. So daily work done to that of a boy is 12 is to 5. The answer is 12 is to 5. Question number 11. Find the smallest number by which 35280 is divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. I am taking option 2, that is 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 0, here 0, balance 28. 5 5s are 25, balance 306. So 7056. 8 8 8s are 64, remaining 6. 8 8s are 64, remaining 1. 2s are 2 table 441. So the square root of 756 can be written as square root of 16 into 441. Square root of 64. Square root of 441, 21. So 84 square. So the answer is 5. Question number 12. 25 divided by 10 minus 7 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 6 by 5 plus 14 divided by 3 into 9 by 10 minus of 1 by 5. So we can reverse it and it will become the multiplication of it. 5 5s are 3 3s are 2 7s are 2 5s are 25 by 10 minus 7 by 12 into 6 by 5. 6 2s are plus 7 into 3 21, 21 by 5 minus 5. So I am taking 10 as common value. 25 minus 7 plus 21 into 2 42, 5 into 10 50. So the answer is 67 minus 57 by 10, that equal to 10 by 10. Answer is 1. Question number 13. Tan 15 degrees plus cot 15 degrees is. So cot tan 15 degree we can write it as tan of 60 minus 45 degree. So tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So we can write it as tan 60 minus tan 45 divided by 1 plus tan 60 tan 45. Tan 60 is root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3 only. Tan 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So cot 15 is 1 divided by tan 15. So which is nothing but reverse of tan 15. So cross multiplication, root 3 minus 1 whole square plus root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, which is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as a square minus b square, that is root 3 whole square minus 1 square. A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, we can write it as 2 into a square plus b square here, that is root 2 into root 3 whole square plus 1 square divided by 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, this will be cancelled. Root 3 square is nothing but 3 plus 1. The answer is 4. Question number 14. Driving his car at the speed of 30 km. So speed 30 km, time we don't know. Vinod reaches his office 5 minutes late. If his speed is 40 km, so if his speed is 40 km, then he reaches here 5 minutes late, 3 minutes early. So speed ratio 30 is to 40 means 3 is to 4. The distance between the both is same, so time ratio is inverse. So the difference is, so 5 minutes late plus 3 minutes early, so that is 8 minutes. So I am applying the 8 minutes in this case. 30 km per hour into 4 into 8 divided by 60. 2, 2, 2 into 8, 16 km. So distance equal to 16 km. Question number 15. 17 minus 4 into 5.4 divided by 9 plus 6 into 1.9, 9 into 0.6. 17 minus 4 into 0.6 plus 6 into 1.9 means 114. So 1.4 into 0.6 means minus 2.4 plus 11.4. So 17 plus 9, that equal to 26. Question number 16. If secant theta equal to 5x and tan theta equal to 5 by x, then the value of 10 into x square minus 1 by x square is. So we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So the question is in the form of x square minus 1 by x square. So let us substitute these values here. So secant square theta is 5x whole square minus tan theta is 5 by x whole square, that equal to 1. So 25x square minus 25 by x square. So take 25 as common, that is x square minus 1 by x square. So we know that 25 into x square minus 1 by x square equal to 1. Then we have to find 10 into x square minus 1 by x square. So we have to just multiply this number into 2 divided by 5. We will get the answer. Since 25 into 2 divided by 5 is 5 5s are 5 into 2 10. So 1 into 2 by 5, that is 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 by 5. Question number 17. Find the rate of interest of a sum that becomes 14,641 of 10,000 times. So this is the sum. So this is principal plus interest. So this is sum is principal in 4 years. So I'm taking 10%. So for first year 100 becomes 110. For the second year 100 becomes 121. For the second year, so 10,000. Interest on 10,000 is 1,000. So that will for first year. 11,000 plus 10%. It will become 11,000, 1,100, 12,100. This is for 2 years. For the next year, 12,100 plus 10%, 1,210. So 13,003. So this is for 3 years. So for the fourth year, so 13,310, 10% on it, 1,331, 1,4,641. So the answer is 10%. Since 10,000 became 14,641. Question number 18. Anil lent 7,200 for 3 years. We don't know the interest, so I'm taking it as X%. 8,400 to Raghav, 4 years, X%. And received 4,968. In total, from them as interest, we have to find the interest. So we have to find X. 0, 0 cancel. So that is 216x plus 336x, that equal to 409.68. So 552x equal to 4968. So x equal to 4,968 divided by 552. The only option is 9. So x equal to 9%. Question number 19. A few lead spheres of diameter 6 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker containing some water such that they are fully submerged. So this is the cylindrical beaker. So up to water. Sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. So radius 3 centimeter. If the diameter of the beaker is 9 centimeter, so this is radius is 4.5 centimeter, and the water level is, so water level is up to this. So this is 32 centimeter. Find the number of lead sphere dropped into beaker. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, we know r, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cancel. So that equal to 36. So I'm taking this as pi only. So 36 pi. So here pi r square h equal to n into pi r square is volume of cylinder. n into 36 pi, which is but volume of sphere. Pi cancel. Here r is 4.5, that is 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into h 32, that equal to 9 into 36. 9 4s are 4 8s are 4 2s are n equal to 18. Question number 20. The captain of a cricket team of 11 members is, so captain age is 35, wicket keeper age is 5 years older, so 35 plus 4 40. So the total age of these two is 75. If these two ages are excluded, the average age of the remaining players is 3 years less than the average age of the whole team. So 11 players average minus 9 players average, so they will become 3 years less of 9 players average, so into 9, that equal to 27 age less. So 75 minus 27 equal to 48. 48 is for 2, so the average is 25 years. Question number 21. The ratio of incomes of Amar and Komal is 5:4. 5 4 income. Expenditure is 2:1 2 1. So the savings are 3:3. So the savings is 6,000. If 3 is 6,000, we have to find Amar income. So that is 5. Then 5 will be into 2,000 into 2,000, that equal to 10,000. Question number 22. So the average weight of P plus Q plus R equal to 58. So P plus Q plus R equal to 174. If the average weight of P plus Q is equal to 54, then PQ weight is 108. Then the average of Q plus R is 48. Then Q plus R equal to 96. Then the weight of Q is, so subtract it. R equal to 66. So substitute R equal to 66 here. So Q plus 66 equal to 96. Q equal to 96 minus 66, that equal to 30. Question number 23. A plus B plus C 14. AB plus BC plus CA equal to 47 and ABC is 15. Find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Formula is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA plus 3ABC. So we know that A plus B plus C equal to 14. We know that minus of it will be minus 47. ABC 3 into 15. So we don't know A square plus B square plus C square. So A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA. So A square plus B square plus C square equal to A plus B whole square is 14 square, 196 minus 2 into AB plus BC. So 2 into 47, 196 minus 94, that equal to 102. Substitute the value here. So we will get 14 into 55 plus 45, that equal to 770 plus 45, that equal to 815. Question number 24. When the integer n is divided by 9, the remainder is 4. So I am taking it as n ones are 9 ones are 9, the remainder is 4. So I am taking the n equal to 4 plus 9, that equal to 13. So what is the remainder if 12 into n is divided by 9? 12 into 13 is 156. 9. 9 ones are 9, balance 6, 66. So 9 sevens are 63. The remainder is 3. 3 is answer. Question number 25. Ramkumar bought two LED TV sets, 41,000 each, by selling one at a 20% profit and the other at 15% loss. He found the selling price of both the TVs are same. Find his overall gain or loss. So the selling prices are same. I am taking one TV as A and the other TV as B. So one is 20% profit. So 120 divided by 100. The other is 15% loss. So 85 by 100. 5 17s, 520, 26 sir, 25 sir, 5 4 sir. So A is to B equal to 17 divided by 24. So selling price of A plus B is 41 plus 41, that equal to 82,000. So here it is total 41. So 17 into 2, 34, 24 into 2, 48. 20% profit on A. 6800. 15% loss, that is 4,800, 2,400, 7,200 loss. 7,200. The difference is 400 loss. 6,800 profit. It is loss. Question number 26. X power minus 1 means 1 by x, that equal to 7. So we have to find x cube plus x power 1 by 3 means 1 by x cube. So the formula for x cube plus 1 by x cube is a cube minus 3a. So we know that a equal to 7. So substitute the value here, 7 cube minus 3 into 7. So that equal to 343 minus 21, that equal to 322. Question number 27. So for every 18x Nuri buys 3x found to be rotten. So that is 15x good eggs. At the same rate, how many good eggs will Nuri have if she buys 690? So if she buys 18x, it will be 15. So the ratio is 6 is to 5. If she buys 619x, that is 115 into. How many good eggs will we have? So that is equal to 5 into 115, which is nothing but 575. Question number 28. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is exactly divisible by 468. I am taking the greatest 5 digit number and dividing it by 468. 2s are 16, balance 1, 12, 13, 8, 9, 63, 1s are 468, 1, here it will be 7, be 1, 9s, 468, 3s are 24, 8 and 20, 12, 40, 5, 1, 3. So 315 is the remainder. We have to reduce the number. We will get the number exactly divisible by 468. 4, 8, 6, 99, 684. Question number 29. ABC is a right angle triangle. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of the two sides containing the right angle are 10, 24. So this is 10, this is 24. So hypotenuse formula is base square plus perpendicular square, that equal to 24 square plus 10 square, that equal to 576 plus 100 is 676, 6, 26. H is 26. So the radius in circle inscribed in a triangle is p plus b minus h divided by 2, that equal to 24 plus 10 minus 26 divided by 2. So that is 34 minus 26 divided by 2. 8 by 2, 4 centimeter. Question number 30. 24 mango trees, 56 apple trees, and 72 orange trees have to be planted in rows such that each row contains the same number of trees of one variety only. So let us take HCF. 8 common. So 8 3s are, 8 7s are, 8 9s are. So there is no common. So 8 is the HCF. So we can arrange mango trees in 3 rows, apple trees 7 rows, orange trees 9 rows. So the total is 19. 19 is the answer. Thank you everyone for watching the video.